Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about how to create a community inside of ClickFunnels. Before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, too, if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, make sure you go down to the description section to start your free trial today. And also, too, there's some really awesome resources in the description section, so make sure you check those out as well. So the first thing that I want to do is just walk through what is the community feature. So he says here, the community feature in ClickFunnels is designed to help you create an online space for your audience to interact. With groups and topics, you can organize your community around specific interests or goals, making it easier for members to engage in relevant conversations. So some of the key benefits of using the community feature includes organized discussions, member engagement, collaboration, and content sharing. And here are some examples of how to use ClickFunnels communities, including business coaching, create a group for each coaching program with topics for accountability, progress updates, and member achievements. Event communities, host a group for event attendees to network before, during, and after the event with topics for specific sessions or speakers. And product development. Use your community to gather feedback and insights from your most loyal customers through targeted discussions in specific groups. So what we're going to do now is we're going to jump into my demo ClickFunnels account and we're going to create a community. So the first thing that we need to do is add the community app. So we're going to go over to the left-hand side here, click on this plus icon, add apps, and then we're going to scroll down and find the community app. And then we're going to click on it and then click add app. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to add a community name. So we're going to click into this and then we're just going to say Austin Dorman's community. And then afterwards you could adjust any of these settings like requiring post approvals, requiring comment approvals, hide member count, send membership email, and send digest email. So we're going to go up here and then click create community. So we added the app and we created a community, and now we're going to add a new group. So groups are basically the categories that you're going to put your members into. So we're going to click add new group. So now we're able to add a name to the group and then also a description as well. So we're going to call this the Funnel Hacker Group. And in the description section, I'm going to put, this is for the awesome funnel hackers. Then we could select an image by clicking select image. And for right now, I'm just going to use this default one, this logo ipsum. And then for access, there's 3 different types of access. So you have open, meaning that anyone in your community can see and join this group. Private, which means members can only be added by you or by purchasing through your upgrade URL, lock screen visible to all members. And secret is members can only be added by you or by purchasing through your upgrade URL, is not available to non-members. And then for right now, we're just going to leave it as open. And then we also have permissions as well, like automatically add members to new topics within the group. Post approval is not currently required. Would you like to override? And then comment approval is not currently required. Would you like to override? So you could just go over here and select it if you'd like to. So for this one, I'll just select this option right here and then scroll up to the top and then click create group. Now topics help you organize group discussions, and it says keep your community engaged and conversations easy to navigate with categorized content. So we're going to do a new topic, and then for this first one, we're going to put welcome. And then we're just going to leave the access as open, leave the permissions as is, and then click create topic. Now we're able to create posts. So posts are the heart of your community where you can manage and engage with content created by your members. So let's click add new post. And so for this one, we're going to put welcome to the group. It's so great to have you in the group. Feel free to introduce yourself below. And then you can add a post cover image if you like. And then for visibility, you could also pin this to the top. So I'm going to just pin this. And then if we scroll down here, there's some search engine optimization items like meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. For right now, I'm not going to worry about it. So I'm going to scroll up to the top and then click create post. Okay, so awesome. So we created the group, we created the topic, and then we created a post. So let's go to our community. And then currently this community is in draft. So if you go to the settings, you can make this live right here. For right now, I'm just going to leave it as draft. And then I'm going to click on this URL, and then that'll take me to the community. So this is the community right here. So we have the community thread. So basically saying what's happening in your groups. I have two groups right here. So the getting started and then the funnel hacker group. So let's actually click on this right here. And then it takes me to the funnel hacker group right here. And so this post is pinned that I created. This is a welcome. So it says welcome to the group. And then right here this is where the topics will be. So currently I just have this welcome topic right here. So that's how you create a community inside of ClickFunnels. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or book a call with me in the description section, and I'd love to help you out.